Hey guys, it's Michelle, your favorite pharmacist. We are going to go shopping at the drugstore today and look at some cough and cold products, see what I would buy, what I wouldn't. So come on in. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is this Theraflu Severe Cold Relief. It is acetaminophen and dextromethorphan. That's all that's in here. Here, Mucinex Fastmax, cold and flu, acetaminophen and dextromethorphan. It doesn't matter what they tell you it's for cold and flu, severe cold, hangnail. You just got to look at what's in it. So, in this case, you've got Tylenol and dextromethorphan, which is a cough suppressant. And then this is Dayquil cold and flu. You've got acetaminophen, phenylephrine, and dextromethorphan. So Tylenol and the cough suppressant, just like we saw in the last product, and then phenylephrine. That's a decongestant that doesn't work orally. They're actually thinking about taking it off the market, but it might raise your blood pressure. So it's not going to help you and it might cause a problem for you. I see no reason to buy something like this. Okay. And then we've got this Robitussin severe cough and sore throat. What's in it? Acetaminophen and dextromethorphan. So Tylenol and the cough suppressant. The same stuff that we just saw in all those other products. Don't fall for them telling you what it's for. Just ask the pharmacist what to get. Okay. Look at all these cough drops. There's nothing special in cough drops. You don't need a certain kind of cough drop. Pick a flavor that you like. You can get a hard candy. It doesn't matter. There's nothing in a cough drop that stops you from coughing. It just makes you salivate, which keeps your throat lubricated. Any hard candy will do that. A glass of water will do that. You don't need to buy any kind of crazy expensive cough drop, okay? These cough drops actually have benzocaine and menthol in them. The benzocaine can help with the sore throat. The menthol is just going to give you a tingly, cooling sensation, but that may feel good compared to these. If you look at the ingredients, these have dextromethorphan in them. So that's the cough suppressant we saw in everything else, but there's not enough in here to do anything. So you're taking an ineffective dose of a medication, and there's no reason for that. Just get some cheap cough drop that you like. Okay, the Coricidin scam. This is Coricidin HBP, specially designed for high blood pressure. Cough, cold cough and flu. What's in it? Acetaminophen and dextromethorphan, Tylenol, and the cough suppressant that we saw in everything else. So it doesn't have to say that it's for high blood pressure, safe to use in high blood pressure. Just read the ingredients, and you could probably get it way cheaper. So all those products that we looked at, what did they have in them? Try to get my camera to focus. Acetaminophen. You probably have a giant bottle of this in your medicine cabinet. This is the same thing they put in all of those cough and cold products. And if you've got that dry hacking cough and you need a cough suppressant, just get the extended release dextromethorphan cough syrup. If you don't have a cough, don't get it, and don't get one of the products that has it in it for sure. But some cheapo acetaminophen and some of this, and you've just made all of those products. Okay, guys. So that was just a brief overview of some of the cough and cold products that you can find in pretty much any drugstore, what I wouldn't get and what I would consider getting. If you want me to do a more in-depth review of different cough and cold products and what I personally have in my medicine cabinet for cold and flu season, I can do that. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Let me know what sort of things in the drugstore do you want me to go through. Tell you what I would buy, what I wouldn't. So drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!